Will Waters
Yes.
at Newtek. We're here in the Blonde Robot stand at SMPTE17, and what have you got here?
Oh, we got a lot of things to show and talk about here at the stand here at SMPTE17. Come around with the new release of the Tricaster TC1 earlier this year. Tricaster has been an iconic product within video production in that it's a software-driven live production system. But with TC1, really take that to the next level in that it's 16 inputs, and it's a true IP production switcher. So that means that it's all on the network that you can work with, from video sourcing, and that includes vertical interval switching for any of your video content coming in. Of course, being able to overlay graphics, stream and encode, being able to deliver to social media, to other streaming delivery, right within the box, recording, virtual sets inclusion, all of that pretty much put together in a very powerful 2RU or 3RU device, whether you want redundant power or not. So that's what we're showing here, but at the core of that is a technology called NDI, which is the Network Device Interface, and that allows for all of this audio and video and metadata, control, tally information to all be incorporated around on the network. And NDI has taken off in a massive way over the last few years, now having about 400 products available either on the market or coming to market, with a number of companies doing development there, and up to 5 million devices available in the field, ranging from consumer-based video content providers all the way up to broadcast production.
Yeah. So for those who are maybe a bit unsure of the differentiation between NDI and some of the IP standards that SMPTE's working on, how would you explain that?
Well, to be very clear, Newtek is very, very much interested in what the efforts that SMPTE is putting together with the efforts of 2110 and the associated ratification standards there. What Newtek has is that, we're approaching this from a little different angle, in that you need to have the way to develop workflows on a gigabit infrastructure. And while we are interested in what SMPTE 2110 is doing, that is taking a lot of uncompressed video and doing things at the broadcast level, which is very, very important. But you have a lot of other content producers, such as education, corporate, even for broadcasters, digital media applications that really need to have the ability to work on network infrastructure that is available today. It enhances the workflow. So we see that NDI is a very complementary technology to SMPTE and what SMPTE is doing with 2110.
Okay. All right. And that's it in a nutshell.
That's it in a nutshell. I mean, really, when we look at all this and the move to IP, I think everybody knows that IP and the move to IP, we've been talking about for a long time. But really, this is a huge shift in our industry, because what it allows for is not just taking SDI and putting it into the network and maybe getting some benefits of course we get the benefits of efficiency and cost savings and everything, but what this does is it also allows us to open up new ways of workflow. It allows for more content to be produced very quickly and easily. It allows producers to think in different ways because they have access to so many different sources, and that's a monumental shift. And we want to be able to bring those benefits and elements not just at the top level of broadcast, but really across the entire spectrum of video production.
All right. Well, thanks for your time.
All right. Thank you.